Stephen Mosley.
Number 10, Mr Speaker.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. We are on course to establish the National Crime Agency in 2013, subject to the passage of legislation. To drive early progress, work on the 4 operational commands is underway. The Organised Crime Coordination Centre, which is part of the Intelligence Hub, is now established, and the UK Cyber Security Strategy sets out the role of the Cybercrime Unit. Keith Bristow, the NCA Director General, is in post and will drive progress further.
Stephen Mosley.
Can I thank my right honourable friend for a reply? One of the concerns that was raised when the Home Secretary announced the launch of the NCA in the summer was over the future of CEOP, the Child Exploitation and Online Protection Centre. Is my right honourable friend confident that CEOP's role in protecting children will be enhanced and improved by its inclusion within the NCA?
I'm grateful to my honourable friend for raising an issue which was raised at the time that the NCA was announced, and I'm pleased to say that indeed CEOP is one of the commands within the National Crime Agency. Peter Davis, the CEO of CEOP, has made clear that, and in his words, we know that we will go into that future, that's part of the NCA, with our brand, purpose and operating model intact. And indeed, Peter Davis sits on the programme board and we're working closely with Keith Bristow on the operating model for the agency. CEOP will not only be able to continue to do what it does today, but I believe as part of the NCA it will be able to enhance the work that it does and improve that vital work of protecting children.
As
Speaker,